Hey people, welcome back. How you doing? How you been? I have this 2018 Cadillac CT6 with almost 14,000 miles. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. All right, how to reset the oil life, and that's pretty much it. Shout outs to everybody, all right? Even the haters. I love you too. All right? I'm sorry for the background noise, but that's a heater, all right? So come with me. You want to support the channel? You know what to do. Right below this video, there's a heart. If you don't see it, right where you see the thumbs up, scroll to the side, to the right. You're gonna see the heart. It says thanks. Click on that, go through it, support the channel, do your thing, all right? Do your part, all right? I'm not gonna hold you up. Shout outs to everybody, all right? The whole planet, all right? And yeah, thank you for the comments, thank you for the support, thank you for subscribing to the channel, and I'm glad you like my videos, all right? So more or less, let's get to this oil change, all right? Yeah. You see it, baby. You're gonna see the message. Change engine oil soon. Service. I'm saying. You wanna dismiss that? You just press this one right here. Pop. Yeah. There you go. Alright, now you come down here. You're gonna see you see that guy right there? That's how you open the hood. Gonna tie here. Oh. There you go. But if you notice, it says ×2, so you gotta pull it twice. Okay, 1, 2. All right, that's how you open the hood. You're gonna come through here. You don't need to look for the latch, all right? Because that's why you pull it twice. See what's good over here. The oil cap. Tells you what type of oil it needs. 5W30 synthetic, full synthetic, alright? Oil dipstick, okay? Let's see, ABS, air filter, engine air filter. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the bottom and locate the oil drain plug. You know what I'm saying? What we have over here? The coolant. Hold on. The coolant reservoir. A few motherboards. Not the mother, but some models. Let's go to the bottom, alright? So we come here to the bottom, you know what I'm saying, and right here you find both the oil drain plug. That's gonna be 15-16 millimeter socket and the oil filter. All right. So let's get it. There's no other way I can hold this. 15 millimeter. All right. I'm gonna let it drain for a minute and I'll be back. Okay, I've been draining this oil for maybe like 30 minutes or so. Time to put this guy back, tight it, 15 millimeter, you know. Then we'll do the filter right here. Alright, let me tie this first. This is gonna be the filter, alright? That's the part number. Pretty much. Alright, let's get that filter. Station. I don't know if you're gonna be able to use another tool. This is what I'm using now. Get this guy. Sometimes when I cannot grab it, you see what I do. Squeeze it here. Squeeze it here. Just so the claw grab it good. Just so the claw grab it good. Alright, there you go. There you go. See that? Way better. Way better. Start draining. Alright. Drain for a minute. Okay. Stand right here. Slowly. Here it comes. Pause. What? You saw the filter I showed you, right? Now this one is a different brand. So if you wanna get it, Prime, POF 2500. Okay. Oh, and look at this. This beautiful thing, it tells you for other brands, which is really good. It's really good. I'll show you now. Watch. It's really good. That's what I'm talking about. This is Prime, but it tells you. Okay. If you want to get in LC Delco, PF63, from, okay. So there you go. All right. That's very good. I like that. You like that, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Good, Prime. You did it. I'm just gonna wipe this thing over here. I'm gonna clean it. Wipe it. So the filter sits there. Just tied it by hand, you know the deal. You know the deal. Let me give you a trick. When you spray some brake in there, you gotta get grab your rack. Now when you grab it, it's solid. It doesn't slide. It doesn't slide. Let's go up there and pour the oil. Okay, since this is a 3.6, it's gonna take 6 quarts. 6 quarts, 5W30, full synthetic. Okay. 6 quarts, full synthetic. Here it comes. Hey, shout outs to everybody, huh? Shout outs to everybody, even the haters. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for subscribe to the channel, for the like, for the share. You guys doing great. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support. That's 6 right there. Put the cap back. Start the car. Let it run for a minute. Then check the oil. Alright guys, so if you want to reset the oil life, it's simple. Alright, the car is running right now. Okay, all you gotta do is play with this guy right here. When you press this one, it controls this section of the dashboard, cluster, whatever you want to call it. So let's do that. Let's press the left arrow. You see the red light? Now scroll down. Okay, it's gonna take you there, oil life, and it tells you right there, reset, hold, select. So this one, just press it and hold it. Press it and hold it. You're gonna hear the beep. Let it go. Let the button go, and there you go. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Alright. Hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. I'm clocking now. Yeah, guys, I'm clocking now. You know where to find me. Okay. Axtuo burung. Shout outs to everybody. Okay. Shout outs to subscribers, fans, community, family members, everybody. Alright. Germany, Italy, Japan. I'm not gonna mention all of them though. Just that you here, alright? So catch me in the next one. Axtuo burung. Yeah.